Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, look at this. The Bitcoin price just got a heavy rejection right here. And this candlestick formation tells me we have to be very cautious right now. I will tell you exactly what are my warning signs for Bitcoin right now and what has to happen that I am flipping bullish here in the immediate short term. I want to tell you exactly what is my game plan for Bitcoin right now. Am I bearish? Am I bullish? And more importantly, I want to show you my trades on Bybit, my trade over on Phoenix, and obviously also when am I going to take profits? Why did I already take profits here before? I want to shed light on my game plan for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. And guys, as the Bitcoin price is chopping around, we have to get ready for the next trade, and I want you to get this trade for free. So in the pinned comment down below, you get a $610 bonus by using our affiliate link. Thank you so much for that. If you click this link, you put in your email address and your password after your initial deposit, you get with the link in the pinned comment down below, if you're an experienced trader, is $610 bonus completely for free. But look at this is completely crazy, and I want to be talking about that. While the Bitcoin price is chopping around, going up, going down, the Dow Jones just printed, and guys, believe it or not, a new all-time high. I want to tell you exactly what this means for the Bitcoin price right now in the immediate short term. And also guys, I want to announce something. We just crushed, thank you so much for that, through 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Guys, you are insane. All your likes, all your comments, your shares, I mean, it helps us out so much. It pushes the videos out to the people. And you can see here, this is the proof. We are the most viewed crypto channel in the world in the last few days. It is completely crazy. I really want to take some moments of appreciation, guys. You are the best crypto family out there. Thank you so much for your support. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And look at this, guys. What the heck was happening right here? These are the 4-hourly candles. And the question is, what was happening here? What does it mean for the Bitcoin price? Well, as you can see here, Bitcoin just pumped up 4.5%, $700 just to a few minutes later here, basically dump all the way down once again. And the most important question is, what does this mean here on the macro time frame? Is this maybe a double top for Bitcoin? Are we going to go lower? And more importantly, what am I doing here for my Bitcoin trades here according to that? Well, I want to show you all of that. First of all, I want to tell you something. What you can see here, if these candles actually close, this is in 2.5 hours. You can just check it out after my publishing here of this video. If they close approximately like this is considered to be a railroad track or a railway track. And in this case, when the first candle is green and the second one is red, then this is usually considered a very bearish candlestick formation. If we have it here on the bottom, a candlestick formation like that, with the first one being red, the second one being green, then this would be considered bearish. In many cases here, from statistics coming, having a green candle like that, and then among support resistance actually having a heavy rejection, and a red candle closing approximately here where the open of the previous candle was, then this is a bearish candlestick formation called railway tracks. And this is usually something I don't want to see, especially if the high here is approximately among the lines of the previous highs. So far so good. This candle didn't close yet, but if this candle closes approximately like this would be considered bearish. But I want to go here a little bit more in the shorter time frames, and I want to show you something. First of all, let me pull out the EMA ribbon on the 4-hourly candles, because there so far we can still see some kind of a bullish structure, because not only that Bitcoin so far here is perfectly holding the EMA ribbon, also the previous dip here we had perfectly bouncing there with a very nice wick. So this so far looks very bullish. But what I want to tell you is I want to see Bitcoin holding the previous lows, because still many bears don't want to admit that, but we are still actually making here higher lows for Bitcoin. Every single 4-hourly candle is consecutively showing us higher lows for Bitcoin. But I really want to put your eyes again on this candlestick formation, and it will be very important to see how they are actually closing, because having a double top here nearby the resistance with the railway tracks, of course this is not considered to be very bullish, but there are still 2 more hours to go. But considering here the lower highs for higher lows for Bitcoin, this is bullish for Bitcoin. But I really don't like this rejection here. And if we go here more down to the hourly candles, this just shows us, guys, be cautious right now. This is the reason why I took profits at 15,850. I closed a complete trade at 180,000 US dollars because I want to make sure if we are topping out here, at least in the immediate short term, that I'm taking some profits home. I will show you my 2 open trades, which I'm still having open here, hoping for higher prices, where from one of them I already took some profits. But here you can see it even better on the 1 hourly candles, this heavy rejection here to the downside. The Bitcoin bulls tried to take over. I was myself out, and I was actually already saying, well, let's be, I was getting happy here, but I knew we have to stay cautious. So obviously, you can see on the 50-minute candles, this was a heavy rejection, pulling out the volume candles also. I mean, you can just see we have a lot of bearish volume coming in here, which is of course not the end of the world, especially considering the 4-hourly candles, the higher lows for Bitcoin we are actually printing in. And this is the reason why I am going now this strategy. I took some profits for Bitcoin, of course, but I am keeping some trades open because then no matter what happens, I can make sure that I am happy with my decision. So far, this could be a bullish V-shaped recovery, but at the same time, guys, and I'm very sorry to have this split opinion here right now, but this is just what the chart is telling us here. We are having here a lower high for Bitcoin so far, so good. But of course, guys, this right now, this is decision time, and we we have to wait and see what the chart tells us. I can just tell you we have to hold the previous low. If we are doing that, we are staying bullish for Bitcoin. Going over to the daily candles, we can hope for something like this actually evolving. If this stays here, a horizontal resistance, and then we can see ascending support, hopefully something like this or like this, then maybe we are forming an ascending triangle. There is more downside for Bitcoin, but this would be obviously bullish. But I will keep you updated. These are the daily candles. There is no rush here for us. We are waiting for strong entry positions, and I love to trade patterns actually. You know that in the pinned comment down below, you can put in your best email address at your password here at mmcryptotrading.com and secure yourself a 20% once in a lifetime discount here for the structured course I'm putting together for you. If you only want the free content, I will always continue to push YouTube's content on YouTube completely for free for you guys. This will never change. But if you want to take it to the next level, make sure you secure this bonus. This is actually dedicated to the MMCrypto family. So let's go here forward. And I want to show you all my trades. But before I'm doing that, I want to show you something mind-blowing. This is the S&P 500. And you think this is mind-blowing? No. Let's go to the Dow Jones. And this is, guys, completely crazy. These are the weekly candles. And you see that today, let me pull out the horizontal ray, the Dow Jones smashed through an all-time high. This is massive. I mean, this is historic. We just crushed, while I'm recording this, through the 30,000 level. And I think this is just the Joe Biden printing press, which is right now already starting being priced in. And of course, considering the positive correlation between Bitcoin and the stock markets, this should be considered something bullish. I mean, something like this is completely crazy. All-time highs are always historic. We don't see them often. So let's just acknowledge this moment and see what is happening here on the Dow Jones. And I truly think that, I always told you guys, I don't think Trump not winning is a bearish for the election, because Biden just as much wants the stock markets to pump. He is a globalist. He's a big beneficiary for the markets, and obviously he is not going to give Trump the points if Trump is not successful with his legal claims there. Let's wait and see how this plays out. But even if he is not, I don't think Biden will give Trump the points here for the stock markets dumping down. I think Biden will put even more pressure on the Federal Reserve. And what we are going to see here, what we are seeing here right now, is probably the markets pricing in exactly my opinion. And one more thing I wanted to show you here on the weekly candles. This is very close to being a bullish railroad tracks, just as I talked about it before, with this red candle on the downside and the green candle right here closing very close to it. And this is a bullish candlestick formation. And as you can see, it is right now here pumping up. Let's wait and see what happens here. Let me quickly go here to the daily candles before I continue with my trades, my trading plan, my strategies here right now. But this is the daily candle, and you can see how the Dow Jones unprecedentedly, I mean, this is crazy, 6% went up. And this is, of course, the industrial average, and the industries, especially here the 30 biggest companies in the US, they are heavily dependent on a globalist strategy. So Joe Biden opening the borders, decreasing customs and whatever, this is very, very beneficial for these industrial companies. I think so, but I could be wrong here. But so far it looks actually crazy here. The Dow Jones smashing here through the all-time high like crazy. So let's wait and see if Bitcoin actually follows it. So far it doesn't look good because we got this rejection here after the Dow Jones pump. But I want to go here into my specific trades, because as you know, I closed the trade on FEMEX 180,000 US dollars, exactly at 15,850 here, the previous high we printed for Bitcoin. And I think looking back, it will always be an amazing take profit area. But of course, I want to still be exposed here to the markets. And as you can see here on Bybit, I still have a trade open here at 82,000 US dollars in profit. I opened it at 10,850. And as you can see, if you go over here to my balance, I took 3.5 Bitcoin, something like, I don't know, 54,000 US dollars in profit already on this trade. And I am keeping the rest right here. I just want to make sure that I am prepared for both scenarios. Going over here to my other trade on FEMEX, you can see this one I opened at 9,400. It is completely open, 130,000 US dollars. This is a long-term trade, and I am planning to keep this one open. And guys, please wait until the end. I want to show you my conclusion here of this situation right now for Bitcoin. And if you also want to be trading on Bybit or FEMEX, please, right now it is dangerous. Let's wait for the next pattern to evolve. I already told you exactly when I'm gonna trade. I will trade a pattern breakout. I will trade a bounce from the 21-week EMA. And if you go down to the pinned comment, you can at least already secure you here for a limited time a 610 US dollar bonus. And this is for a limited time. Make sure you're secured already, and then you're ready to use the bonus for a breakout trade. So if you go down to the pinned comment and you click this specific link, you put in your email address and your password, after the initial deposit, you can get a 610 US dollar bonus. Actually, the highest bonus so far. You can never find anywhere else a higher bonus than the $610 bonus in the pinned comment down below. If you're an experienced trader, make sure you click it there, and below you find the MMCryptoTrading.com link. I will leave it down there for you as well. If you click it, you can put in your email address and your name, and I will personally send out an email to secure yourself as you are part of the MMCrypto family, a 20% bonus here on the structured course I'm putting together for you. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let's wait and see. I told you we have to be very, very cautious right now. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Let's just hope that Bitcoin is not forming here this M pattern. Would be horrible. Let's wait and see what the chart is telling us. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end. It really helps out the algorithm. Your likes, your comments, your shares, it helps a lot. I truly appreciate that. And you can see by the numbers, we are right now the most viewed channel on crypto YouTube in the world. I mean, guys, this is without any words. Thank you so much for that, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bible tutorial if you haven't watched it already, right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.